Afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, in today's video, we're going to do a little trip down memory lane for me. Whenever I was a young boy, as I've mentioned, we were poor. And my grandmother did the lion's share of raising me. And you'd get something and you wanted to go put it in the trash. And my grandmother would say, "Can you think of 3 uses for that before you put it in the trash?" And she meant like, a jelly jar can serve as a glass, a water glass. Could you recan in it? And what are the uses for this? And so it's about, you know, upcycling things into a useful product beyond its original means. For example, these were like $1.50. It was a Hawaiian punch type thing. I picked up a couple of them just for some flavor. Now, it's a nice square bottle. These can be utilized. Point one, I could refill it 3/4 of the way with water, put it in my freezer, and then freeze it solid, and then set that into a small ice chest so that it is A, cold, B, as the water thaws out, it's drinkable water. So it becomes an ice pack and cold water on a hot day in a small lunch-sized ice chest. Second use, to answer midnight needs in a hammock. Enough said. Third use, they have a really nice rim right there. Really good hard plastic right there. So what I would recommend doing one of these is turning it into a jug for jug fishing. Now with that, you would tie the line, and I'd use bank line, fine bank line, say about 6 feet. I'd hook to that. And on the end of that bank line, I'll put a swivel and I'll put a snelled hook on that. That's what I'll actually bait. Why snelled? Because if something's going to break, that line will break. If a fish gets wrapped around something down there on the bottom and I need to pull and break it free because the fish got off but it's just bound up, the line will snap. And I can easily just carry snelled hooks and rehook it where I ain't got to re-rig the whole thing, see? Makes for fast and quick. And here's another trick for it. Get some color, light color, bright color, whatever, and paint the bottom, just the bottom of the jug. Now, when you get there and you're ready to bait it, put water in it to about 1/3, about right there. Unscrew it, put river water in it, whatever, bring it up to there, screw it up tight, and then throw your line out and sit this in the water, and it will float straight up like that. When the fish gets it and pulls it, it's going to pull it over, and that water is going to slosh, and that reflective bottom is going to pop up. So when you're sitting there looking at the lake or whatever distance, and suddenly, boo, whip, that bright orange, that white, you can see it at long range. Otherwise, is that flipped over or not? By putting that water in it, when it flips, it'll give me that signal. That means come check me. I can go out there and hook it, pull the fish up, rebait, and then put the water back, set it back, and drop it back in. So it's a strike indicator that way. So, 3 uses. 1 is an ice pack. 2, it can be used as a midnight slop jar. 3, it can be used as a fishing jug for jug fishing. There's tons of more uses for this if you just sit and think about it. It's the mental exercise of thinking outside the box, and don't just throw it away. Think about it. So here's my challenge to you. When you walk up to the garbage can the next few days, you're going to throw away whatever. I don't care what it is. Can you come up with 3 uses for it before you throw it away? If you're going to throw it away, because you might go, wait, I could do that, and it becomes useful again. Everything is a resource. Just coming up with the use for that resource is the question. You got to remember, they threw away gasoline for over 10 years in refining because nobody had a use for it. and it was too volatile to use in lamps and stuff, so he threw it away until somebody invented an engine that could run on it. Everything's a resource. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, please hit like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.